Good morning, students. We will study the second lesson of Standard 8, the company establishment of company power. First, we will study about the different trading companies that came to India for trade. First, the establishment of trading company in India. What is this mercantilism? Mercantilism means focusing more on profit with the trade. This is mercantilism came the term during 18th century. Now, what is trade was? Now, trading companies in India. This is the first who came India for the trade purpose. The Portuguese. Portuguese landed at Calicut in 1498. Later on, the Dutch East India Company was established in 1602. Then English East India Company was established in 1599. The Danish East India Company, which later on sold to French East India Company. Danish sold this company to French East India Company. Then this came in 1666. Then France came in 1664, named as French East India Company. Now, they all traded in some or the other goods, but they wanted to get monopoly rights over the trade. So what happened? There was a war between France and Britain to get sole authority. French and British, there was a war between them to get the common means complete monopoly over the trade. This is known as Carnatic Wars. First Carnatic War was in 1746 to 48, in which French got victorious with the local rulers. They got support from the local rulers to fight this war. Then second Carnatic War was in 1749 to 54. Then the third Carnatic War was between 1756 to 63. Then at last, after this defeat, the British was victorious. Means British victorious. French left India. French East India Company was completely demolished. Then coming of British East India Company. So British India Company established their control, means complete control over the trade in India. The British East India Company, to expand further trade, they went in Bengals and war with the local rulers. They started the annexation of Bengal. Annexation of Bengal. What is this annexation of Bengal means? First, the annexation of Bengal took place with the Battle of Plassey. What happened at the time? Battle of Plassey. Sirajuddaulah was the Nawab of Bengal. What happened? The British focused more on profit making rather on the people. They should work about, they grew more and more tax from the people. So Sirajuddaulah was against paying more taxes, means they understand that British India Company mainly focus on making money, not about the people residing there. So he went against the British and fought a battle at Plassey with the help of Mir Qasim. Sirajuddaulah was defeated in Battle of Plassey in 76 and British installed Mir Qasim as the Nawab of Bengal. Then Mir Qasim was also not an efficient ruler to rule over the Bengal. Means he was a puppet in the hands of British. Then Mir Qasim was removed from his role. Later on, Mir Jafar was made the Nawab of Bengal. He also felt that British is not worried about the people residing in Bengal, only they are related to profit making. So Mir Jafar also fought with the British. Later on, Battle of Buxar took place. Now different annexation of Mysore with the war of Mysore War. Then annexation of Anglo-Mysore War. Then Anglo-Sikh War took place with the rulers of Punjab. Tipu Sultan also fought with the British in Mysore. Now let us annexation of policy. British followed many policy to annex different region. First is that is called Lord Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance. Then Lord Dalhousie introduced doctrine of lapse. These are all the policies to annex the region of India. This was a short summary, we can say, about the chapter how this doctrine of lapse, in which Rani Lakshmi Bai fought with the British to get her kingdom Jhansi. Then subsidiary alliance, then annexation of Awadh on the ground of maladministration. So these are the short summary of the chapter I am discussing you. So These are the things you prepare the notes and write in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.